After months of wanting a new couch, I finally decided to take the plunge and order the Albany Park Kova. I'd heard so many good things about the brand and was excited to try a cloud couch style. Here's my honest breakdown of the pros and cons after owning it for a year. Pros. Ultimate comfort. This couch is seriously cozy. The deep seats and plush cushions are like sinking into a big hug. Movie nights and lounging have never been better. Modular design. I love how customizable the Kova is. It was easy to change the configuration to fit my living room when I moved to a new place. Durable fabric. My sofa is in a high-traffic area. Plus, I have a dog who sheds. But the fabric has held up incredibly well. No major pulls or stains. Easy assembly. Despite the size, putting the Kova together was a breeze. It probably took me about 30 minutes with help. Cons, a bit pricey. These sofas aren't cheap. While I think the quality is worth it, it definitely was an investment. Low arms. The Kova has low, wide arms. It's great for spreading out, but if you like traditional armrests, it might not be your style. Delivery delays. Shipping took a little longer than expected, but honestly, I get that furniture delays are common these days. Feathers. Okay, I occasionally find a feather poking out, but that's to be expected with the down-filled cushions, and it's not a huge deal. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.